Welcome to Master of Realms. We're thrilled to announce the launch of our brand new feature, TileForge. With TileForge, you can bring your imagination to life by creating custom tiles from scratch. Add anything you like, objects of any shape, size, or style, and place them exactly where you want. Whether you're designing customized tiles for intricate villages, bustling cities, or adding tiny details that make your world unique, TileForge gives you the freedom to design your own tiles without limits. Now, let's dive in and see how it works. On your map screen, you'll find the Enter TileForge button at the top left corner. Click it, and you'll step into the TileForge editor. Here, just like in HexCrafter, you'll see a toolbox located at the bottom left side of your screen. This toolbox gives you access to tile bases and a wide variety of objects to place on your tile. Using it is simple. Just drag and drop the pieces you want onto your tile space. From there, you can resize, rotate, and position them however you like. You can also create and customize multiple tiles inside a group. To add a new one, just click the plus icon. A fresh tile base will pop up, ready for you to design. And if you ever want to remove a tile, simply click the red cross icon right here. In addition to the plain city ground and green ground tiles, you also have access to a wide range of customizable tile bases. These include the city road tile group, the city wall tile group, the forest path tile group, the river tile group, and the mountain tile group. For example, if you select a river tile base, then you'll receive a whole group of river tiles to customize, allowing you to create your own unique version of a river tile group. Now let's go ahead and make a quick edit on one of the river tiles. We'll add a castle, a few houses, a farm, some trees, a bridge, and many more objects, all on a single tile. Here we go. Now it's time to save your work so it's ready to use in your main map. Just click the Save option in the top left corner, and a save window will appear. Here, you'll see a small preview of your tiles. Give your tile set a name, and assign it to a category if you like. You can also customize the thumbnail and UI icon. To change the thumbnail, click on Change Thumbnail and capture the part you want to use. To update the UI icon, select Change UI Icon and pick the design you prefer. When you're done, click Save. Once that's finished, return to the HexCrafter mode toolbox and you'll find your tile sets stored under Imported Tiles, ready to use. In the future, if you want to edit the same tile set again, simply click on a tile and an Edit and Delete option will appear. Click Edit and you'll be taken back into TileForge with the same tile set group loaded. From there, you can make any changes you like and save it again. You can also print your tile or tile group in 2D. Just click the print icon and a 2D print screen will appear. Adjust the print settings as needed. Then click Export to generate your file.